Hey guys, welcome to Agent Workflow. I'm going to show you guys how to run a wicked open source alternative to Cursor and Windsurfer. So thank you to all the new subscribers and people who comment, like, and share our videos. It means so much to us and it keeps us motivated to give you guys some of the best content in AI news in such a short time. That's our goal on this channel, guys. We're going to make you guys some of the best coders and developers in some of the least amount of setup time to get you guys going. Yeah, so how to do this stack, guys, that competes with Cursor and Windsurfer is we're gonna add RueCode using VS Code. VS Code is already free and RueCode is also free, so that's our free base stack, guys. RueCode is actually used to be called Cline, which was a fork of Cline, which used to be called Cloud Dev. Yeah, I know, guys, but you know how it is. AI one day is like a couple of months, So this all happened in a few months, but if you guys follow me along, I'm gonna get you guys caught up into the latest stack right here. You take the RueCode extension, and then we're going to add the DeepSeek R1 and the GitHub Copilot. DeepSeek R1 is a new frontier reasoning model, guys. It's about 1% of the cost of the OpenAI O1 model at but it's at the similar performance. So you can call about 100 of times before you have to pay the same amount as you call OpenAI. So that's going to unlock a lot of use cases that might have been too expensive for API calls, and it's going to let us start coding without having to worry about any API fees. And with GitHub Copilot, guys, you get 50 free Claude executions per month, which is incredible if you think about it, because Windsurf and Cursor, they charge money to do 500, so you're getting almost 10% for free. And if you guys like the setup, guys, you can always sign up for Copilot's unlimited plan, which is only $10. So if you guys can see right here, guys, when you go on Copilot and you see their plan, you get 50 free calls to Claude Sonnet, the best AI coding agent, right? And if you go for the $10 one, you get unlimited, guys. So this is something to keep an eye on, because it's much cheaper than the price you're paying at Cursor or on Windsurf, and you're getting exactly the same model. So, and it's GitHub, so it's VS already included. Yeah, so to do the setup, guys, it's very simple. Just open up VS Code. You can install RueCode either by going and searching for it on the marketplace and clicking install, or you can just click on the extension tab and you want to search for RueCode. I have already installed it, but if not, it would, when I click here, it would say install. I've also installed Cline, guys, which is just another version of these, and they're both very nice and they release features often, so it's good to go back and forth between them. Don't be stuck to one IDE, guys. You want to pick the best model and the best IDE at the moment, so you can get the best outcome, right? Okay, so once you have that, make sure you guys also install GitHub, guys, GitHub Copilot. Right there. So once you install these, you're almost ready to go. So what happens next is you go to RueCode and make sure you click the gear, guys. When you get the gear, you'll have different profiles. I like to save my profiles so then I can quickly switch them up on my right hand side when I do a prompt. If I need a more smarter solution, I will call the Copilot Sonnet, which only have 50 calls, but it will solve some of the problems that DeepSeek might not be able to solve, or if Gemini Flash is getting stuck in somewhere. What I like to do is use Sonnet to clean everything up and to make everything look super nice. It's just a much better model. So, but to do the DeepSeek API, what you want to do, guys, is you want to go create your profile, and then you want to go to DeepSeek here, and you got to get your API key. And when you get your API key, it's in Platform. Go to platform.deepseek.com, go to API key, create a new key, copy that key, and bring it back bring it back here, paste it here. Make sure, guys, you switch your model to Reasoner, which is the new R1 model. If you click chat, you'll be using the V3 model. Also a highly capable one, but you want the Reasoner one, which is much better, and it takes time to think, but it'll give you a much better result. So now we have DeepSeek done. We do the same thing for Copilot, guys. Copilot's easier because it's already baked into VS Code. You just have to click on VS Code LM API, and if you've installed the extension properly, you'll get the drop-down menu. Make sure you click Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Do that, and then I'll show you guys also how to do Gemini. In Gemini, what you want to do is you go to Google Gemini, and then also you're gonna copy this code up. The API key from Gemini Studio, and I like to go with the Flash Thinking one. It's another reasoning model, and it's pretty nice, and it's also free, guys. So and it is it gives you, sometimes it hits like a P, but you guys keep trying, it'll solve a bunch of your problems, and it has images, which DeepSeek does not have. So if you have any issues, you can just paste a screenshot, or if you have some bugs in your code where the UX is kind of acting out of bounds, or it's looking not nice, you can just copy the screenshot, paste it here, get it to solve, and then switch back to R1 and go back to coding. So yeah, let me show you guys. Once you've done that, guys, you'll be, let me show you guys. I'm in a brand new project with things, so we'll show you guys. I've already added this task here, and all I have to do is say run command, right? Because I'm already connected to it, and look, guys, it's running all my models, all my code as I requested, because I wanted to make a button app that will open up and go to my YouTube channel. But I'm gonna leave it to you guys for here, and let you guys do your own projects. Let me know what you guys think, how you guys find the stack, and if you have any suggestions for me, please share them here, guys. Okay, there you go, guys. Look, we're ready to go, all done. Very powerful, and all done with R1. Let's go, guys, show you guys.